I'll do a quick video on how to replace your door handle. I bought one from Amazon here. It's not a factory Toyota part, and it just didn't fit right, and it feels like it's hanging and grinding itself up actually. So I went ahead and bought this one from ToyotaPartsDeal.com. There's the part number. I forgot if they just call that brown or oak. I think it's called oak as far as the color goes. Looks real similar. But anyway, after a while, I don't have the old one with me, but this part becomes cracked here and just eventually falls apart. But it's pretty simple. You just take a Phillips head, take this screw out right here. And then you're gonna push this back this way. Then you're just gonna push this little piece here. It gets a little hard. You're gonna just push this back like that. And that'll allow you to slide this off. Get a pair of needle nose pliers, make it a little easier. Slide that off. Then you just slide the new one on. Hopefully. This is the hardest part of the whole install right here. This one went a lot smoother than the one I got off of Amazon. Give it a little more thought, and I think the needle nose will do a little better actually. Wedge it in between there. So be careful with plastic pieces like that. And needle nose pliers, it's easy to break something. Then you gotta just get it in these holes here. And slide it forward, and that lined up perfectly right there. That other one did not. That feels pretty good. Yeah, I forget which part this was. I got off Amazon, but it just didn't feel right. So that's how you place your door handle. I'd recommend probably getting one before they become really expensive. This is like $25, which isn't cheap, but not a bad deal really to get a working door handle.